We'll guide you through how to use Hinge. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So Hinge is a dating app. We're going to guide you through setting up an account and then how you can go and use the app. So let's get started. First of all, open it up and click on create account. What you need to do is go and enter in a phone number. After you've entered in your phone number and verified it, you can then go and enter in your basic info. So you can go and enter in your name. Now you can start adding more details to your profile. So you can go and choose where you live. This is important because it will then go and affect who you go and match. After you've filled out the questions, you can now start adding pictures, videos, and prompts. So let's get started here. Click on the plus and you can open up your camera roll. And you can also go and click, hold and drag to adjust the ordering as well. And you can then click on next in the bottom right. Now you can go and add prompts. So you can go and click on one of them and you can go through the different prompts here. And now you can get started. What I like to do though is click on the settings in the top left and you can then just go and choose the neighborhood, the maximum distance and some other filters as well. And then what you can do is you can click on the like and you can go and send a like and a comment if you want to, or even a rose. And if you want to go and skip somebody, just press the cross in the bottom left and you can go and continue and you can go through here. At the bottom, you can go and look at standouts. You also can go and see who's going to send you a like. And then you can click on the messages to go and see your messages there and matches. And you can click on your profile icon in the bottom right to get to your page here. And you can access the settings and filters in the top right. It's that simple.